Hello, I'm Adam Grimes and welcome to the free video for June 27th, 2019. So I want to show you a trade here. This is a trade long before it happens. It's a trade, and so it's a trade that may never happen, but the pattern we're looking for here is an ante. And the way I think of this is it is a market that has been trending in one direction and has shown some signs of trend ending. In this case, we have a little bit of a parabolic move. Do you see that? It's not much, but if you were to draw trend lines, you would find you would need to draw ever increasing sloping trend lines as the trend accelerates. It's a little thing. You should be able to see it with the naked eye, but you can draw the trend lines if it helps. Then we have a sharp counter trend move. The trend is up. The sharp counter trend move is this move down. This is confirmed by the MACD making a new low. It's a really useful tool for that sort of thing. Here's what I'm watching for over the next few days. There's no trade today, but if SHOP stabilizes and spends a few days kind of trading, let's call it roughly in between 280 and 300, that is going to set us up to enter a short on a breakdown. So I wanted to show you this. This is how I look at trades. Sometimes they're ready to go. Sometimes they're set up, ready to enter tomorrow. Sometimes we have to get through another step, another set of conditionals before we have an entry, and that's the case here. But the other thing you should notice is if you go through and look at a lot of stocks that are making pullbacks, you'll see a lot of stocks that are almost on the edge of collapsing. And that maybe tells us this pullback could be something bigger than a pullback. The other thing that I want to show you is a little pattern lesson here in the Swiss franc. And this is a tradable pattern right now on the 4-hour chart. We have a bear flag. You can look to enter a short on a breakdown. So that's the trade. Why is the trade there? Well, we've had this, look at the daily chart. We've had a really big move down on the daily chart. That's been a great trade. And we were stopped out of the daily trade exactly where we wanted to be. But now another trade is setting up on the 4-hour. Look at this. Here's one push down, two pushes down, three pushes down. So you have three pushes down, which usually leads, here's one bear flag, here's the second bear flag. The bear flag following the last push down, which sometimes does end a trend. But in this case, what it looks like we're getting is a bigger, more complex bear flag. So that is worth an entry, looking to enter short on a breakdown there. And you need your stop somewhere around spot 9.8. And I'd look to take first profits at 1 hour. Okay, that's all I have here in this video. If the video has been helpful, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, tell everyone you know. So much appreciated. You can also check out more of my work at marketlifetrading.com and follow me on Twitter at Adam H. Grimes. Thank you very much.